A golden delight unveiling the Ferrero Rocher. Did you know that Ferrero Rocher chocolates are enjoyed by millions worldwide? This golden treat has captured hearts and taste buds for generations. Its shimmering wrapper hints at the treasure inside. But what makes Ferrero Rocher truly special? Let's unwrap the secrets of this iconic chocolate. More than meets the eye. A journey begins. At first glance, Ferrero Rocher might seem like a simple chocolate, but don't be fooled. This treat is a carefully constructed masterpiece. Each layer contributes to a symphony of flavor and texture. We're about to embark on a delicious journey. Get ready to discover what makes Ferrero Rocher so unique. The mystery unveiled: what lies beneath the gold. Many people love the taste of Ferrero Rocher, but few know the secrets behind its creation. What gives it that signature crunch? How is the creamy filling so smooth? The answers lie in the careful selection of ingredients, and in the meticulous process of putting it all together. Section 4. A symphony of textures, deconstructing the layers. Let's start at the heart of the Ferrero Rocher, the hazelnut. This humble nut is the foundation of the entire confection, providing a robust and earthy flavor that sets the stage for the layers to come. Each chocolate contains a whole roasted hazelnut. Roasting the hazelnut enhances its natural flavors, bringing out a deeper, more complex taste that is both rich and satisfying. This nut provides a satisfying crunch and a rich, nutty flavor. The crunch is not just a texture, it's an experience that contrasts beautifully with the softer elements of the Ferrero Rocher. Encasing the hazelnut is a smooth, creamy filling. This filling is a luxurious blend that melts in your mouth, creating a velvety texture that complements the crunch of the hazelnut. This filling is made with chocolate and hazelnut paste. The combination of these two ingredients creates a harmonious balance of flavors, where the sweetness of the chocolate meets the nutty richness of the hazelnut. It's the perfect complement to the crunchy hazelnut. The creamy filling acts as a bridge, connecting the different textures and flavors in a seamless way. Next comes the crispy wafer shell. This layer is light and airy, providing a delicate crunch that contrasts with the dense, creamy filling inside. This delicate layer adds a delightful texture contrast. The wafer's lightness makes each bite feel less heavy, balancing the richness of the other layers. It also helps to distribute the chocolate flavor evenly. The wafer acts as a canvas, allowing the chocolate to spread and coat each bite uniformly. Finally, the entire sphere is enveloped in a luxurious milk chocolate coating. This outer layer is what you first see and taste, making it an essential part of the Ferrero Rocher experience. This coating is studded with tiny pieces of chopped hazelnuts. These small bits add an extra dimension of texture and flavor, making each bite a complex and delightful experience. They add an extra layer of crunch and nutty aroma. The chopped hazelnuts not only enhance the texture but also amplify the nutty essence, making the Ferrero Rocher a true symphony of textures and flavors. Section 5. From harvest to confectionery, a legacy of quality. Ferrero Rocher is not just a name, it's a symbol of excellence and tradition. This journey of quality begins right from the source of its ingredients. Ferrero Rocher's deliciousness starts with the finest ingredients. Each hazelnut, cocoa bean, and drop of milk chocolate is carefully selected to ensure the best flavor and texture. The company sources its hazelnuts from select orchards around the world. These orchards are chosen for their ability to produce the highest quality nuts, which are essential for the signature taste of Ferrero Rocher. These hazelnuts are roasted to perfection, enhancing their natural flavor. The roasting process is meticulously controlled to bring out the best in each nut, ensuring a rich and satisfying taste. The cocoa beans used in the chocolate are also of the highest quality. Each bean is carefully inspected and selected to meet the stringent standards set by Ferrero Rocher. They come from sustainable farms that prioritize ethical and environmentally sound practices. These farms not only produce top-quality cocoa but also support the environment and local communities. The creation of a Ferrero Rocher chocolate is a testament to meticulous craftsmanship. Each piece is crafted with precision and care, ensuring that every chocolate is a perfect blend of flavor and texture. Every step of the process is carefully monitored to ensure the highest standards of quality. From the selection of ingredients to the final packaging, nothing is left to chance. From roasting the hazelnuts to layering the chocolate, each stage is crucial. The attention to detail at every step ensures that the final product is nothing short of perfection. This dedication to excellence is evident in every bite. When you enjoy a Ferrero Rocher, you're experiencing the result of a legacy of quality and a commitment to the finest ingredients and craftsmanship. Section 6. The Ferrero Rocher Experience. A treat for the senses. Enjoying a Ferrero Rocher chocolate is a multi-sensory experience. From the moment you lay eyes on its shimmering golden wrapper, you know you're in for something special. The anticipation builds as you hold it in your hand, feeling the crinkled texture of the foil. The golden wrapper, with its crinkled texture, creates a sense of anticipation. As you begin to unwrap it, the excitement grows. The sound of the foil crinkling is like a prelude to the symphony of flavors that await. The moment you unwrap it, the aroma of roasted hazelnuts and rich chocolate fills the air. This tantalizing scent is just the beginning of the sensory journey. You can't help but take a moment to inhale deeply, savoring the promise of what's to come. As you bite into the chocolate, the layers of texture and flavor come alive. The initial crunch gives way to a smooth, creamy filling, and then to the crisp wafer. Each layer offers a unique sensation, creating a harmonious blend of textures. The crunch of the hazelnut, nestled at the center, adds a delightful contrast to the smooth chocolate. The smoothness of the filling, which melts in your mouth, providing a rich and indulgent experience. The crispness of the wafer, adding a light and airy texture that balances the richness of the chocolate. And the sweetness of the milk chocolate all harmonize perfectly. Each bite is a symphony of flavors and textures designed to delight your senses. Ferrero Rocher is more than just a chocolate, it's an indulgence. It's a moment of luxury that you can enjoy anytime, anywhere. It's a treat to be savored and enjoyed slowly. Each bite is an opportunity to pause and appreciate the finer things in life. Whether you're celebrating a special occasion or simply treating yourself, Ferrero Rocher offers a moment of pure delight. It's a gift that speaks of elegance and thoughtfulness, perfect for sharing with loved ones or enjoying in a quiet moment of self-indulgence. Section 7. Unwrap the world. A world of delicious discoveries. The next time you unwrap a Ferrero Rocher chocolate, take a moment to appreciate the artistry and craftsmanship behind it. Remember the journey from the hazelnut orchard to your taste buds. Let the layers of flavor and texture transport you to a world of pure indulgence. And as you savor that last bite, remember that there's a whole world of delicious discoveries out there. From the simplest candy to the most elaborate dessert, every treat has a story to tell. So go ahead, explore, and indulge your curiosity. You never know what culinary treasures you might uncover.